Hello everyone, I am Biswajit Mondal and welcome to my YouTube channel Target Mathematics. So after a long time I came in front of you because of the KVS interviews. Actually I am sorry that I could not share the fact that I was shortlisted for the interview for KVS TGT and PGT both. Okay, both the interviews I went there, I appeared for both the interviews and they were good. Okay. So anyway, so where we left before, from that point we will continue again. Okay. So in the previous video what we have discussed the first 10 questions of mathematics which was there in KVS PGT mathematics paper. Okay. So first 10 questions we have discussed. So total 100 questions will be there. Already I have told question number 81 to question number 180. Okay, these 100 questions will be from mathematics part, and among these questions we have discussed from question number 81 to question number 90. Okay, in the previous video. So in this video we will discuss from question number 91 to question number 100. Okay, these 10 questions we will discuss in today's video. So just without skipping, you watch this video to get some overview about the KVS PGT Mathematics exam. Okay. So let's start. Let's go to the screen. Now the first question, that is question number 91, is on the screen. You can see that very easy question. This is what we have to do, the multiplicative inverse of 3 plus 2y. We have to find the multiplicative inverse of 3 plus 2y. This question is from the chapter complex number. Okay. So anyway, this is very easy. So given complex number is 3 plus 2y. So we have to find the inverse, multiplicative inverse. So that is nothing but 1 divided by 3 plus 2y. Now this number we have to write in terms of a plus ib. Okay, a plus ib, because the options you can see, options are given in that form, a plus ib form. So what we will do here, 1 divided by 3 plus 2y, just in the denominator and numerator we will multiply by 3 minus 2y. Okay. So in the numerator we have multiplied 3 minus 2y, and in the denominator also we will multiply by 3 minus 2y. Then we will simplify. That's it. So if we simplify this, what we will get? So in the numerator 3 minus 2y, I will keep it as it is, and in the denominator a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, 4i square. So that is nothing but 3 minus 2y into 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 means 13. Okay, I square is equal to root of minus 1. The value of I square is equal to minus 1. Okay, so this is nothing but 3 divided by 13 minus 2 divided by 13 I. Okay, so this is in the form a plus ib. So which option? Now you can see the options. Which option is matching with this answer? 3 by 13 minus 2 by 13 I. So 3 by 13 minus 2 by 13. So option 3. I think option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, option 3 is the correct answer for this question. So this was question number 91. Very easy question. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 92. Now this question is also from complex number. Now we have to find the real value of theta, for which the expression, this is a real number. Okay. Now for that what we will do, first we will write this expression, this big expression in the form a plus iv. Okay, that is the trick. First of all we have to write this in the form a plus iv. So 3 plus 2y sin theta divided by 1 minus 2y sin theta. So what we will do, in the numerator and denominator both we will multiply by 1 plus 2y sin theta. Okay, 3 plus 2y sin theta into what we will multiply, 1 minus 2y sin theta. Okay. So in the denominator also the same thing we will do, 1 minus 2y sin theta into 1 plus 2y sin theta. Okay. So is it clear to everyone? Now just simplify it. So we will get 3 minus 6i sin theta minus 6i sin theta plus 2y sin theta plus 2y sin theta minus 4i square sin theta, sin square theta, minus 4i square sin square theta. Okay, this we will get in the numerator, and in the denominator what we will get, a plus b into a minus b formula. So a square minus b square, 4i square sin square theta. Okay, this we will get. So then again further simplification is needed. So further simplification is needed. So in the numerator what we will get, 4i square sin square theta, means this will become plus 4 sin square theta. So it will become 3 plus 4 sin square theta, and then we will get minus 6i sin theta plus 2i sin theta. So minus 4i sin theta. Okay, minus 4i sin theta divided by 1 plus 4 sin square theta. Okay, 1 plus 4 sin square theta. This we will get. So now split the terms in order to write it in the form a plus ib. Okay, a plus ib form we have to write it. So 3 plus 4 sin square theta divided by 1 plus 4 sin square theta minus what we will get, 4 sin theta divided by 1 plus 4 sin square theta into I. Okay, so this is in the form a plus ib. So this is the real part, this already you know, this is the real part. Okay, this is the real part, and this is the imaginary part. Okay, imaginary part, this is the imaginary part. Imaginary part. So now again go back to the question, what they are asking is a real number. Okay, we have to find the value of theta for which this expression will be a real number. So the imaginary part must be equal to 0. So in order to make the imaginary part to 0, what we need? What we need? Can you tell what we need? Sin theta is equal to 0. We need sin theta is equal to 0. So that will imply theta is equal to n pi. That will imply theta is equal to n pi. Okay, n belongs to z. N belongs to z, set of all integers. So this is the value of theta for which the given expression will be a real number. Okay, so which option? Option 4 is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. So this was question number 92. This was also very easy. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 93. Now this question you can solve orally. Okay, no need to do any calculation, but still I am showing you. Still I am showing you that sine of this is equal to 1. Okay, sine of which angle is equal to 1? What you know? Sine of which angle equal to 1? Sine of pi by 2 is equal to 1, is not it? So sine inverse 1 by 4 plus cos inverse x must be equal to pi by 2. Okay, from the expression we are getting this. Now again, for inverse trigonometric function, one formula we know, that sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Okay, now what this formula is telling us, how this formula will help us to find x here? So x must be 1 by 4. Okay, x must be 1 by 4. So that's the problem. So okay, that is the problem, and this is the solution of that problem. X is equal to 1 by 4. So option 3 is the correct answer for this question. Option 3 is the correct answer. So now let's move to the next question quickly. Question number 94. Question number 94, what it is telling, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to 2 pi by 5, then cot inverse x plus cot inverse y. So one formula we know. First of all, I will write down that formula. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Okay, so from here what we can write, tan inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus cot inverse x. Okay, that we can write. So this formula we are going to use here in order to find the given expression. So this formula we are going to use here. So now given condition is that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to 2 pi by 5. So now just put the value of tan inverse x, that is nothing but pi by 2 minus cot inverse x, and what is tan inverse y, that we can write pi by 2 minus cot inverse y is equal to 2 pi by 5, that we can write. Now just simplify it. So we need the value of okay, we need the value of cot inverse x plus cot inverse y. So what we will get, cot inverse x plus cot inverse y will be equal to, just simplification, nothing else, will be equal to pi minus 2 pi by 5. Okay, that we will get. So cot inverse x plus cot inverse y will be equal to 5 pi minus 2 pi, that is 3 pi, 3 pi by 5. So this is our answer, 3 pi by 5. Okay, so which option? Now look at the options. So 3 pi by 5, option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, option 3 is the correct answer. So this was question number 94. Now come to question number 5. What they are asking, if the system of linear equations x plus y plus kz is equal to 4, so the three equations are given, x plus y plus kz is equal to 4, that is the first equation. Then second equation is x minus 2y plus 2z is equal to 3, this is the second equation. And third equation is 3x plus y minus z is equal to 5, 3x plus y minus z is equal to 5. So this is the third equation. So these equations will be inconsistent. Okay, for what value of k, that we have to find. That means we have to find the value of k. So for that, now in order to solve this problem, let me recall one theory. regarding system of linear equations. Okay, regarding system of linear equations. So what is that? Suppose we have a system of linear equations ax is equal to b. Okay, then if det a is not equal to 0, then we have a unique solution. Okay, that we have studied all of we. So unique solution. Now if det a is equal to 0, then there will be two possibilities. One is that infinitely many solutions, infinitely many solutions, or it may be inconsistent. That means there is no solution. Okay, inconsistent. It may be inconsistent. Okay, so here they are asking that for what value of k the system of linear equations will be inconsistent. So just we have to equate the determinant of a with 0. Okay, and we have to find the value of k. That's it. So that is the theory whatever I have told. Now that theory we are going to use here. Simply we will write the determinant of the coefficient matrix. So what it will be? So 1 1 k 1 minus 2 2 and 3 1 minus 1, that is our coefficient determinant. Okay, so now just expand this determinant and find the value of k. So 1 into, directly I will expand with respect to the first row. So 1 into, so what we will get, 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 minus 1 into this is minus 1 minus 6, minus 1 minus 6. Okay, plus k into 1 plus 6, 1 plus 6, that is equal to 0. Okay, so anyway this term is vanishing, and minus 1 minus 6 means minus 7, and it will become plus 7, and plus 7k is equal to 0. So from here what we will get, k will be equal to minus 1. Okay, k will be equal to minus 1. So what is the value of k? Then look at the options. Which option will be correct? Option 1 is the correct answer. Yes or no? Option 1 is the correct answer. So this was question number 95. Next we will go for question number 96. Okay, wait for some time, system is very slow. Okay, here is question number 96. We have to find the value of this determinant. Okay, Very simple determinant is given. So we have to find the value of this determinant. So let me write the determinant: 5 square, 5 cube, 5 to the power 4, then 5 cube, 5 to the power 4, 5 to the power 5, then 5 to the power 4, 5 to the power 5, 5 to the power 6. So see what I will do, from the first row I will take common 5 square, from the second row I will take common 5 cube, and from the third row I will take common 5 to the power 4. Okay, so then what I will get, 1, 5, 5 square. Okay, in the next row 1, 5, 5 square, and in the third row 1, 5, 5 square. So what we can see, or what we can say by seeing this determinant, this form of determinant, if in a determinant any two rows or any two columns are identical, then what we can say, the value of the determinant will be equal to 0. So anyway, here all the three rows are identical, okay, same. So the value of the determinant will be equal to 0. So which option? Option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, option 2 is the correct answer. Now come to question number 97. A matrix A is given, and they have given one condition that A square is equal to I. Then which of the following options will be correct? Okay, which of the following options will be correct? That we have to do. So A square is equal to I. Okay, we will start with this condition: A square is equal to I. So what is our A? A is nothing but alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha. This is our A. So A square means, again I will write alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha, and I means the identity matrix. So 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, this is the identity matrix. So just multiply what we are getting, A square. Let us see. So row by column multiplication means we have to do like this. So we will get alpha square plus beta gamma, alpha square plus beta gamma. The next we will get alpha beta minus alpha beta, that is equal to 0. Okay, then we will get alpha gamma minus alpha gamma, that is becoming 0 anyway. Then beta gamma plus alpha square, so alpha square plus beta gamma, that is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. Now there is nothing in the problem, so just compare the two determinants. So if we compare, we will get alpha square plus beta gamma is equal to 1. So from here what we are getting, 1 minus alpha square minus beta gamma will be equal to 0. So which option will be correct? Look at the options. So we can see that option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, option 3 is the correct answer. 1 minus alpha square minus beta gamma is equal to 0. So this was question number 97. Now come to question number 98. So okay, what it is telling, what it is asking, which of the following quadratic equation has two distinct real roots? Okay, now for that what condition we have? For a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Suppose this is the quadratic equation, then this quadratic equation will have two distinct real roots if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Okay, that is the condition. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So then we will have two distinct real roots. So now we have to check for all the options. Okay, what is the value of b square minus 4ac? This must be greater than 0. This must be positive. Okay, so for the first option, what is b square minus 4ac? Now here b square means 3 root 2 whole square minus 4ac, 4 into 2 into 9 by 4. Now what is the value of this? 339 to 18 minus 4 will be cancelled, 18, that is equal to 0. So the roots will be real and equal, okay, not distinct. So option 1 is not correct, this is wrong. So what about option 2, b square minus 4ac? So 1 minus 4 into 1 into minus 5. So that is equal to 1 plus 20, that is equal to 21. This is greater than 0, okay, this is greater than 0. So option 2 will be the correct answer. Okay, you can further check option 3 and option 4, those will also be wrong. Okay, so for two distinct real roots, option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, so this is question number 98. Now come to the next question, question number 99. Now come to question number 99. Okay, so what they are asking here, here the equation of the straight line passing through the point 3 comma 2 and perpendicular to the line y is equal to x will be what? Okay. So the equation of the straight line passing through the point 3 comma 2 and perpendicular to the line y is equal to x. So the given line is y is equal to x. So this line I can write x minus y is equal to 0. So the equation of the line which is perpendicular to this line will be what? X plus y plus k is equal to 0. Okay, because we know that suppose we have a given line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, the perpendicular the equation of the perpendicular line will be equal to bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0, where k is any real number. Okay, so that is shortcut trick of writing the equation of a perpendicular line to a given line. Okay, so by that trick I have written here x plus y plus k is equal to 0. Okay, the coefficients of a, x and y will be interchanged and the sign between them will be opposite. Okay, if there is plus, then we will write minus. If there is minus, we will write it plus. So that is the trick of writing immediately the equation of the perpendicular line. So this is the equation of the perpendicular line and it will pass through the point 3 comma 2. See here, it will pass through the point 3 comma 2. So just put the value 3 plus 2 plus k is equal to 0. So from here k is equal to minus 5. Okay, k is equal to minus 5. So the required equation will be x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So that again we can write x plus y is equal to 5. So which option? Option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, option 4 is the correct answer. X plus y is equal to 5. So this was question number 99. I think it is clear to everyone. Okay, now let's move to the next question, question number 100. So this is little bit tricky and it will be time taking. Okay, this problem. So what they are asking here, the point 4 comma 1 undergoes the following two successive transformations. Okay, first one is the reflection about the line y is equal to x and then translation through a distance 2 units along the positive x-axis. So what will be the final coordinate of the point that they are asking? So let us try to understand it. Let us try to visualize it by drawing the graph. Suppose this is the x-axis, horizontal axis, this is x dash x and this is y dash y and this is the origin and this is the line y is equal to x. Okay, passing through the origin, this is the line y is equal to x and the point is given point is 4 comma 1. Okay, 4 comma 1, so it will be somewhere like this 4 comma 1. Let us say this is the point 4 comma 1. So what successive transformations we are doing? First, reflection about the line y is equal to x. So first it is going here. Okay, So it will come here, reflection about the line y is equal to x. So this point or this coordinate we have to find first. Then in the second transformation, what they are telling, translation through a distance 2 units along the positive x-axis. So along the positive x-axis, it will go a distance of 2 units. Okay, that means this is the final position. This is the final position of this point. This is the final position of this point. Here this distance is 2 units. Okay, so that is the problem. Now coordinate of this point we have to find. Okay, finally we have to find the coordinate of this point. So for that, what we will do, okay, anyway, we will find the equation of the line which is perpendicular to y is equal to x and which will pass through 4 comma 1. Okay, which will pass through 4 comma 1. So the equation of the line which is perpendicular to y is equal to x, y is equal to x, perpendicular. So this line I can write like x minus y is equal to 0. So the equation of the perpendicular line will be equal to x plus y plus k is equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation of the perpendicular line. Okay, now this line will pass through 4 comma 1. So just put the value 4 plus 1 plus k is equal to 0. So that will imply k is equal to minus 5. So finally we are getting the line x plus y is equal to 5. Okay, this is the equation of the line which is perpendicular to y is equal to x and pass through 4 comma 1. So that means this line, equation of this line is x plus y is equal to 5. Okay, equation of this line is x plus y is equal to 5. Now what is this point of intersection then? We can find the point of intersection very easily. This point, what will be the point of intersection of y is equal to x and x plus y is equal to 5? So just put y is equal to x, so x plus x will be equal to 5. So from here x will be equal to 5 by 2. X is equal to 5 by 2. And what will be y? Y will also be equal to 5 by 2. So this point is 5 by 2 comma 5 by 2. Okay, this point is 5 by 2 comma 5 by 2. So this point of intersection we have got. Now what about this point then? What will be the coordinate of this point? Coordinate of this point, let me say alpha comma beta. Okay, alpha comma beta. Then this will be the midpoint. The point of intersection, whatever I have written 5 by 2 comma 5 by 2, that will be the midpoint of these 2 points. Okay, midpoint of these 2 points. One is 4 comma 1, another one is alpha comma beta. So just apply the midpoint formula and find out. So if we apply the midpoint formula, then we will get alpha plus 4 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. So from here what alpha we will get? Alpha is equal to 1. Okay, alpha is equal to 1. And again beta plus 1 divided by 2 will be equal to 5 by 2. So from here beta is equal to 4. Beta will be equal to 4. So alpha comma beta we have got finally. Finally we have got alpha comma beta. So this alpha comma beta we have got. This is one is 1 comma 4. Alpha comma beta means 1 comma 4. This point we have got. Now we are translating through a distance 2 units along the positive x-axis. So x will increase but y will remain same. X will increase by 2. Okay, so this point I have told 1 comma 4. So now from the second condition, that translation through a distance 2 units along the positive x-axis. So x will increase by 2. Okay, x will increase by 2 plus 2 will be added. So it will become 3 comma 4. The final point or the coordinate of the final point will be 3, 4. Okay, so which option? Now come to the options. So this problem was a little bit tricky as well as lengthy. Okay, but if you can understand, this is easy. This is not difficult at all. So 3, 4, which option? Option 2 is the correct answer. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, so today we have completed the next 10 problems, problem number 91 to problem number 100. I hope that all the problems, all the solutions of the problems are clear to all of you. Okay, because I have given you a detailed solution. Okay, no shortcut. I have given you the detailed solutions of all the problems. So even after that also, if you have further doubt, you can comment me in the comment section, and definitely in the next video I will try to clear your doubts. Okay. So anyway, let me again remind you, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe this channel for this type of videos, and don't forget to share the videos with your known friends. Okay, and for the previous videos you can go to the description box. There I will provide the links of the previous videos. From there you can watch the previous videos as well. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you in the next video.